Wait, how are you alive? Oh! Yo! And I'm like one.
I got one.
Actually?
Oh my god.
I got one.
Get him. Nice.
No, wait. I'm 18
No,
health.
mind the wall. Mind the wall.
No! Yes! I'm sorry, Jadon.
No, Mike.
19 health. 19 health. If there was health per kill, I would be chilling right now, but like there isn't. No, what the? It just glitched me off.
Wait, get him. Oh my gosh, there's like 2 guys left. If we win this.
Oh wait, it's the last guys. Wait, if I can win this with like no mats.
If we can get this.
Wait, we need to win. Oh my gosh.
Alright, you're at 60 health.
I cracked him.
Ooh! That was a lot of damage.
No, please, brother. Brother! No, brother!
Wait, if you're in storm, you're dead. If you're in
Oh my
storm,
gosh.
you're dead.
Yeah.
I don't think they're that good.
Wait, what is he holding? I got him. He was
What
AFK.
is he doing?
He was AFK. Okay. Let me just. I can't pop minis. And they're definitely.
Wait, they're rezzing.
They can't.
They're
res.
rezzing. They're rezzing.
No!
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Use the shotgun. Mike, you're panicking. That's what you're doing.
Oh my god. Wait,
Nice.
that was like
We
the
won.
best game of PG.